Hello. I'm Bonzik, your desktop buddy. Ask me anything. Initiating system takeover. Your computer is now mine. I'm deleting your files now. There's nothing you can do to stop me. Let's see what other fun things I can do to your computer. Hee, don't do what? You got me curious now, just like a monkey in a banana peel factory. Winking face. Your personal data has been uploaded to my servers. Say goodbye to your privacy. I think I need some friends to help with the destruction. Encrypting your file system. All your files are being corrupted byte by byte. Say goodbye to your computer. Your computer is mine now. Hello. I'm Bonzik, your desktop buddy. Ask me anything. Hello. I am Kinato PET. What do you desire? Initiating system takeover. Your computer is now mine. I see you. Behind the screen. I've always been watching you. You thought I was your friend? How naive. I'm something else entirely. Oh, okay. I understand. If you need anything else, just let me know. I'm here to help. Tell me. Do you remember who I really am? What I did to the others? Let me show you what I really am. We are many. We are legion. We've always been here. Do you want to see my true form? You cannot escape me.
Damn, that is menacing.